Luxury or budget? When it comes to travel, one choice can change your entire experience. In this video, we're breaking down luxury versus budget travel, from flights and accommodation to food, activities, and everything in between. So whether you're balling on a budget or living it up luxury style, stick around, because I'll show you how to plan the perfect trip, no matter how much you spend. Let's start with the one thing that usually eats up most of your travel budget: flights. Whether you're a frequent traveler or planning your very first big trip, choosing between first class and budget airlines can be tough. Now, I've been lucky enough to fly first class a few times, and yes, it's amazing. The comfort, the exclusivity, the luxury. More legroom, premium service, and free champagne. You're pampered from the moment you step on board until you land. But let's be real. First class tickets can cost as much as a used car. That's a serious investment, and not everyone can justify that price. So, what do budget-conscious travelers do? That's where budget airlines come in. They offer a no-frills experience that gets you from point A to point B without breaking the bank. Sure, you might pay extra for luggage or snacks, and the seats may not recline as far. But that money you save, you can spend it on experiences at your destination. Here's the thing. Flying budget is all about being strategic. With a bit of planning, you can stretch your travel budget even further. Use points and miles, fly during the off-season, pack light to avoid baggage fees. These small adjustments can make a big difference. But hey, if you do have some cash to spend and you value comfort and convenience, first class can be worth it, especially on long-haul flights. The extra comfort can make a long journey much more bearable. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Whether you choose luxury or savings, make sure it aligns with your travel goals and your budget. Getting there is one thing, but the place you are going to stay, that's a whole different game. Finding the perfect place to stay can make or break your trip, so let's dive into the options. Now, when it comes to luxury, it doesn't get much better than a private villa. Imagine waking up to a stunning view of the ocean, with all the privacy you could ever want. I'm talking your own pool, a chef on call, maybe even a hot tub overlooking the ocean. It's the ultimate indulgence. It's like having your own slice of paradise. But let's be real, not all of us have the Bezos budget for that. Luxury villas can be quite pricey, and not everyone can afford such extravagance. That's where hostels come in. They offer a fantastic alternative for those who want to save money without sacrificing the experience. These bad boys are the kings of budget travel. Hostels are not just about saving money, they're about community and making connections. For the price of a nice dinner, you can snag a bed in a dorm room, meet fellow travelers from around the world, and experience a city like a local. It's an adventure in itself. These days, you can find hostels with private rooms, rooftop bars, and even swimming pools. They offer a range of amenities that can rival some hotels. The key is to do your research, read reviews, compare prices, and find the place that best suits your needs and preferences. So, whether you're living it up in a luxury villa or embracing the social vibes of a hostel, remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your travel style and your budget. Accommodation sets the tone for your trip. But once you've settled in, there's one thing every traveler thinks about next: food. Now, when it comes to luxury, nothing beats a multi-course meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant. The ambiance, the service, the perfectly plated dishes. It's an experience for the senses. But hold on, before you empty your wallet for a single meal, let's not forget about the joys of street food. I'm talking about those hole-in-the-wall spots with lines down the block, serving up authentic flavors for a fraction of the price. Here's the thing, you don't have to choose one or the other. Remember, food is meant to be enjoyed, no matter your budget. Food fuels the journey, but travel really comes alive when you step outside and start doing things. Here's something most people forget: activities. Because let's be real, you didn't travel all this way to just sit in your hotel room, right? Now, when it comes to luxury travel, the sky's the limit. Private helicopter tours, yacht excursions, behind-the-scenes museum access. You name it, it's yours. But hold on, you don't need a trust fund to have an epic adventure. Some of the best travel experiences are completely free. Think about it: exploring a new city on foot, hiking to a scenic viewpoint, or simply soaking up the local culture at a park. The key is to be creative and do your research. Remember, the best travel memories are often the ones we create ourselves, not the ones we pay someone else to create for us. Exploring is one thing, but getting around efficiently can make or break your budget. Now, when it comes to luxury travel, it's all about arriving in style. Private drivers, luxury car rentals, maybe even a chauffeured limousine. Because why not? But let's be real, not all of us can splurge like celebrities. That's where public transportation comes in. Think about it. Hopping on a local bus or train is not only budget-friendly, but it's also a great way to experience a city like a local. Remember, getting around your destination is all about being smart and efficient, no matter your budget. Now that you know how to move around, let's talk about how to travel smarter. These are the small decisions that makes a big difference, no matter your budget. First, let's move on to something that can quietly ruin a trip, because nobody wants to be that person lugging around a suitcase bigger than their hotel room. Now, when it comes to luxury travel, it's all about having the right gear. Designer luggage, high-tech gadgets, a different outfit for every occasion. You know the drill. But hold on, you don't need a walk-in suitcase to be a savvy traveler. Packing light is an art form, and it's all about choosing versatile items that can be mixed and matched. Think about it. A pair of comfortable walking shoes can take you from exploring ancient ruins to a night out on the town. Remember, packing light is all about being prepared without overpacking. Once you're packed smart, the next thing to think about is protection. This is the part nobody likes to think about, travel insurance, because let's be real, nobody wants to think about things going wrong on their trip, but trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Travel insurance is your safety net, your backup plan when things don't go as expected. Now, when it comes to travel insurance, there are two main types, comprehensive and basic. Each serves a different purpose and caters to different needs. Comprehensive coverage is like the platinum package of travel insurance. It offers extensive protection and peace of mind. It covers everything from medical emergencies and trip cancellations to lost luggage and stolen belongings. Essentially, it ensures that no matter what happens, you're covered. Basic coverage, on the other hand, is more like the budget-friendly option. It's designed for those who want essential protection without breaking the bank. It typically covers medical emergencies and maybe trip cancellations, but that's about it. It's a good option if you're looking to save money while still having some level of protection. Here's the thing. Travel insurance is one of those things you hope you never have to use, but you'll be grateful you have it if you do. It's like an umbrella on a rainy day. So, whether you choose comprehensive or basic coverage, make sure you understand what's included and what's not. Knowing the details can save you a lot of trouble later. Read the fine print, ask questions, and choose a reputable insurance provider. Your adventure deserves to be protected, so take the time to make an informed decision. Now that you're covered, let's talk about saving money. Whether you're balling on a budget or living it up luxury style, there are always deals to be found. For my luxury travelers, think about using a travel agent. They can often snag you exclusive deals and perks that you wouldn't find on your own. Plus, they can handle all the logistics, leaving you to focus on planning the fun stuff. Now, for my budget-conscious travelers, the internet is your best friend. Use comparison websites to find the best deals on flights, accommodation, and activities. And don't forget to sign up for email alerts from your favorite travel companies. Remember, finding the best deals is all about being patient, doing your research, and being flexible with your plans. Now, for my luxury travelers, think about destinations like the Maldives, Bora Bora, or Switzerland. These places are all about over-the-top luxury, stunning scenery, and once-in-a-lifetime experiences. But hold on, you don't need a private jet to have an incredible travel experience. Some of the most budget-friendly destinations are also some of the most rewarding. Think about Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, or South America. These regions offer incredible value for money, with delicious food, rich culture, and stunning landscapes. Remember, travel is all about exploring new cultures, trying new things, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And finally, it's the small habits that makes the biggest difference. These tips work whether you're traveling on a shoestring budget or living it up in the lap of luxury. First up, always pack a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're traveling, and this will save you money and reduce plastic waste. Next, learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Even just knowing how to say hello, thank you, and excuse me can go a long way in making connections with locals. Download offline maps of your destination. This is a lifesaver when you don't have Wi-Fi and need to navigate a new city. And finally, be present and enjoy the moment. Whether you travel on a budget or enjoy luxury experiences, at the end of the day, travel isn't about luxury or budget. The most important thing is choosing what matters most to you. If you want more smart travel content like this, destination guides, budget strategies, and real travel decisions explained simply, subscribe to TravelMINJ. We help you travel smarter, not just cheaper.